going through paragraph heading, you need to remember and know some certain techniques to actually attempt this particular question paragraph heading, right? It has some certain concept, it has some certain techniques to attempt. Same as true, false, not given, multiple choice questions, blanks and matching, all these questions have different techniques to attempt. So when we go through all these 5 types of questions one by one, I'll tell you the techniques to attempt these all questions along with the exemplary passages or questions to attempt. So when we are understanding or we are going through paragraph heading, I'll actually provide you a couple of samples which you will go through, and we will attempt paragraph heading on 2, 3 or 4, 5 samples. So once you get good command over this paragraph heading, then we'll move to true, false, not given. Alright, is that clear? We'll move to the next question. Once you have understood these things, then one by one we will go through all these types of questions. Clear? So I told you about true, false, not given, that's what you have to do, that you are given this question in 2 different ways, either true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given. Checking the presence of your mind that how you are attempting these, you have to go accordingly. Clear? And then comes multiple choice questions. So in this question, in multiple choice questions, you are given, for example, a statement. Okay? And you are given different options. For example, A, B, and C. You have to choose the correct answer to this question from these 3 options, and this is called multiple choice questions, that you have different choices, multiple choices, then you can choose from. Okay, ये multiple choice question 2 तरीकों से पूछा जाता है. This is asked in 2 different ways. Number 1, that they give you 3 or 4 options to choose one answer. You got my point? They give you 3 or 4 options to choose one answer. And the second type of multiple choice question is that they give you 5 or 6 options, and you have to choose 2 answers, or you have to choose 3 answers, whatever is asked over here. For example, they ask you that choose any 2 things mentioned in the passage. So they give you about 4 or 5 different options here, and you have to choose 2 options as the correct answers. Okay? So there are 2 types of multiple choice questions.